Did I whip it? It's much easier. Leah, it's much easier when you whip it.
It is much easier when you whip it. Can you try? You could try that technique. Okay,
Right,
well,
let me get you one first. This one doesn't seem overheated. Okay. I'll get Gia to do this part. I haven't seen you do as much as Jack says. So I need you to easily tip that in slowly. Not Dave. Closer. Go down a bit more. Perfect.
That was fast. That's slow.
No, that was slow. Fast is when you just tip it all in fast.
Yeah, it's when
Like
you
literally like. Have you seen that before?
we
You
need
know
this
what I mean.
again, Leah.
Huh?
Do we need it?
Other than that.
Yes.
Where's the seal with water?
oh yeah, no, I see.
I'm washing it.
No, I'm opening the window just so that I can.
Because I don't want you to wash my stuff. My stuff that I wash. I like washing my stuff at home.
I'll just cut off the first layer because we haven't used the cheese in a while. Right here, Jax?
We don't touch cheese next week. Moses, I'm tired.
Okay, now. Oh, look right there.
Look away. Moses. Which side? The side. Which side, Leah?
Actually, use this side, probably be better. This side.
Sorry about that. That's on the side. That's perfect. But I'll wait for this one to be done. Because we've only got one hour. Just shove it in here. Oh, I got it wrong. Ah, that's good. Just shove it in. Good man.
What's that mean?
Now, Jax, you're done. So, undo that. Good man. Alright, take off your... So just leave it down there. Leave that down there after you finish.
Have you done yours as well? Okay, good.
Okay, boys.
Oh, you need to take your apron off as well. Oh, I have some stuff for you in the car. I'll grab it for you.
Wait.
That's Jim? Want to do yours first? Wade? Yours next. You guys need more food? Okay, I'll open it up, put some cheese in it. This is the part where I mess everything up. Because they
He doesn't have the skills of the gods.
well, they stick together. I'm gonna. You know what? Just
Oh, surgery. Yeah. Nah, he didn't take it like a man. Mm-mm.
hey, I did so. Here we go. Just chuck them again.
You don't. When you say chuck, don't chuck. You nicely distribute. There you go. Nicely distribute.
Alright. Wait, do you want the same thing?
And this is probably the second one when you max it up.
What? cold, I mean. You know what? Just chuck it in there.
Yeah, don't chuck. Nicely distribute. That's it's nice. Very nice. You guys just made your own breakfast in less than what? 20 minutes. Amazing. Amazing. Thank you very much, Liam. Yes. You guys gonna take your aprons off. Aprons off, yeah? I know. Aprons off and then you can eat. Yeah. Whoa. Did you make that? Very cool.
This is basically scrambled eggs.
Basically. But it's cool. Yeah, it's very, very cool.
It's not actually scrambled egg, Moses. It's a omelet.
Is it hot?
It's a pancake.
Yeah, you better be careful there.
It's an
All right.
omelet.